Hey y'all, this is Deecha the Diva with a quick cooking segment. This is a cook with me, honey. Okay, as you can see, whenever I'm making the vegan cheese sauce, whenever you can stick your fork easily through like a carrot or one of the potatoes, see, that's falling apart. So that's ready to go in the blender. So I can turn that off. And this sauce here, I can turn down. This is my dipping sauce. And I'm about to give you the recipe right now. So I have my vegetable broth that I got from John Eagle. Got my vegetable broth, my artichoke hearts, my water chestnuts, and the whole container. You can eat the whole container and it's only 60 calories, okay? And I poured me a little shrimp crab broil, just a capful. A capful goes a long way. The roasted red pepper strips, and it has that black char on it. I love that. I put some basil leaves, some seasoning salt, and some Korean style barbecue sauce with the soy sauce and apple spices in it. I also got some reduced sodium soy sauce because I want a little bit more of that in it. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna turn this sauce down to low. But as you guys can see, if you guys can see that, all them good vegetables and stuff in there. And yes, that is a dipping sauce. That's a dipping sauce. You guys will see. I'm boiling them artichokes and stuff down, so it'll be, because they were whole hearts, but they're breaking up, and I like how they break up. So when I dip in it, some of everything gets on there. Okay. Now let's go on over to this. I'm going to put you guys up here so you can view me as I do this. What I'm doing now is I'm going to take this pot off the stove that has my vegetables for my cheese sauce. I'm going to dump half of my water that I boiled my vegetables in, dumping half in the Ninja. My mom has a Ninja. I don't have a Ninja. I have a NutriBullet. And this Ninja, it is sharp. I'm really thinking about purchasing a Ninja now. Those blades are very sharp. Okay, and I'm just going to spoon in, as you guys can see, my vegetables that were boiling, like so. You want your green pepper to be limp. See, you want your green pepper to be limp. You're be able to stick a fork through your carrot and your potatoes, and for your onions to be translucent. So let me get that in here real quick and get this going. I turned down my other dipping sauce. So that's good. I want to get all these nooks and crannies out of here. This garlic, pieces of onion. Oh yes, honey, that's all going with me. All right. Flavor, 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 without the fat or calories. Okay. Now I'm going to pour the rest of that juice, because I do not need it. But I salvaged some of that whole garlic that I had down at the bottom of that pan. So that is done. Okay. So now I'm going to put this Ninja together. This is my first time using this. And I had a tutorial from my mama. Which I definitely needed. But this is nothing like the NutriBullet. It's a little bit more complicated. Okay. And you want to blend it till it's a puree. I don't want no chunks. And at this time, what I'm going to do is I'm going to add some spices. I'm going to add a little bit of this bay leaf. Onion powder. And this lemon pepper, I'm going to add that. And then I'm going to add my Parmesan cheese. So it can come up to the consistency that I like it to be. And this big old thing was $7.99, I believe. But I use a lot of Parmesan cheese, which is why I didn't mind adding it to this recipe. Because usually this is a fully vegan recipe with the nutritional yeast. But, you know me. I'm going to make it do what it do, baby. I hope you guys are staying safe in the house as much as possible. If you have an essential job, I hope you're doing it and getting home safe and sound. Staying home after that. We're just going to blend it some more. Okay, let's take a look and see if it's the consistency. See, I'm not home, so I didn't use as much vegetables and stuff because I don't have anywhere to really store it. Yeah, I'm going to add some more cheese. But it's getting there, it's getting there. Yeah, it's definitely giving it that flavor that I like. Woo. Throw you in a big chunk. Okay, that should be enough. Okay. Let's get this going. But, you know, I didn't use as many vegetables and stuff or anything, but I think I put a little bit too much liquid in it. But, you know, I fixed that by putting some more dry ingredients. Definitely smell that garlic and onion and green pepper. It smells so divine. Okay, that should be enough. Okay. And I'm just going to reuse this pot. There's no need to you know, create a bunch of dishes, honey. Oh my God, it smells so good, y'all. And I still ended up making too much. But yeah. I'm just going to put a lid on that. Let that cool off. In the meantime and in between time, I am making it do what it do. I don't know if you guys can see that. I'll put you there. I'm sorry, but I am rigging you. How about that? I am rigging you while I work with this. Ooh. Yes, ma'am. This sauce is going to be all that. All for me. This is just for me, so I know you guys see me tasting and putting this fork back in the pot. It's just for me. The bamboo shoots are getting really soft. Not too soft, they stay crisp. But you see, look at the onion and the artichoke heart. Put all them spices and stuff. Good for dipping. Good for dipping. Let me see. I need a little bit of salt. It's kind of spicy. Just like Mama like. No butter. There's no butter in here, so I need a little sweet kick. Let me see what I can do. I'm just going to put a tidbit, just a tidbit, there we go, just to give it a sweet kick. It has kick, honey. It has kick. I just need a little bit of sweetness to it. Now, all right, you guys, I want to show you, can you guys see that, how rich? Let me put it over here. Okay, so you can see how rich and ooey gooey, and you can see the red pepper, the onion, the watercress, the garlic, the artichoke hearts. Oh my God, that is going to be so good for dipping, honey. So good. All right, and then over here, my cheese sauce. Woo! Good on good on good, honey. So, I'm going to throw my sauces in a bowl. Get my veggies all turned up here. My veggies that I'm making. I'm going to slice my veggies And I'll come back to you in the next video. And the video is a surprise. It's a first for me. So you guys stay tuned because I'm bringing it back at you. It won't be long. So you guys just stay tuned for my next video. I love you guys to life. Please press that like and subscribe button. Please comment. Give your girl a thumbs up. Leave me any questions that you need answered or any comments that you want to send to me. And I will see you guys in the next video. I love you to life. Act blessed, talk blessed, walk blessed, and be a blessing to who? Be a blessing to the Lord by blessing somebody else. Stay safe. Stay home. Stay hopeful. Okay? God bless you. Bye.